the element O is also present in set B and the element A is also present in set B. Same way, all the elements of B is present in A. All the elements of these two sets are the same, as well as the cardinal number is also the same. Therefore, we can say that set A is equal to set B, which can be symbolically written as A is equal to B. Now let us compare set A with set C. Elements of set A are I, O and A, whereas the elements of set C are 2, 4, 6. In both these cases, the cardinal number is the same. 3 elements are present in both the cases or in both the sets, but the elements are not the same. So if the cardinal number is equal, then we can say that these two sets are equivalent, but they are not equal. They are not equal because the elements are not the same in these two sets. So we can symbolically write it as A equivalent to C. Moving on to disjoint sets. Two sets having no element in common are known as disjoint sets. Here is an example to make it clear. Set C is a set of odd natural numbers between 1 and 20. D is a set of even natural numbers between 1 and 20. In roster form, it is written as C is a set of 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. And D is a set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Here, none of the elements of set C is present in set D, nor the elements of set D is present in set C. That means there are no common elements in these two sets at all.